Om Namah Shivaya children. How are you all? Hope everyone is fine, staying at home. Today we will start our first chapter of chemistry, that is synthetic fibers and plastics. So let's start. This is our first chapter, synthetic fibers and plastics. In this session, we will cover fibers, natural and synthetic fibers, types of synthetic fibers as rayon, nylon, polyester, acrylic, and one activity for you. Children, why do we need clothes? We need clothes because it covers our body and protects us from heat, cold, rain, and from dust and insects. The clothes we wear are made up of fabrics. Fabrics are made from fibers obtained from natural and artificial sources. Fibers are the thread-like structures that are long, thin, and flexible. There are two types of fibers. They are natural fiber and synthetic fiber or man-made fiber. Further, natural fiber is divided into two types: plant fiber and animal fiber. Some examples of plant fibers are cotton, jute, flax, etc. Examples of animal fibers are wool, silk, etc. Some examples of man-made fibers are rayon, nylon, polyester, acrylic. Children, you have already known about natural fibers. Natural fibers are the fibers that are obtained from plants and animals. Example: cotton, jute, wool, silk, etc. We get cotton from cotton plants, wool from sheep, silk from silkworm, and jute from jute plants. Then synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are the fibers that are made by human beings. So these are also called as man-made fibers. A synthetic fiber is a chain of small units joined together. Each small unit is a chemical substance called monomer. Many such small units combine to form a large single unit called a polymer. Children, In this picture, you can see this is a monomer. A polymer is made of by combining many monomers. In this picture, you can see a number of beads are joined together with the help of a thread to make a necklace. Like this, polymer is also made of many repeating small units called as monomers. Polymers also occur in nature. For example, cotton. It is composed of cellulose, a naturally occurring polymer. Cellulose is a carbohydrate and the molecule is a long chain of glucose or sugar molecules. In this picture, you can see this is a glucose molecule. By combining the glucose molecules, we get cellulose. Children, now we will discuss about types of synthetic fibers. There are different types of synthetic fibers such as rayon, nylon, polyester, acrylic, etc. Let us discuss one by one. Rayon. All of you have read about silk fiber in class 7th. Silk fiber is obtained from silkworm. The fabric obtained from silk was very costly, but the fabric had very beautiful texture, which fascinated everybody. So scientists were successful in obtaining a fiber having similar properties to that of silk. That fiber was called as rayon or artificial silk. Rayon is the first man-made fiber from a natural base material. It is obtained by chemical treatment of wood pulp. In this picture, you can see these are wood or logs. We get wood pulp from wood and it undergoes a lot of chemical treatment to produce rayon. Although rayon is obtained from a natural source, why rayon is a man-made fiber? Rayon is obtained from a natural source, wood pulp. The wood pulp contains cellulose, which is a natural polymer. Wood pulp is treated with chemicals and transformed in different forms. Then the rayon fiber is made from it. Moreover, it has properties similar to that of artificial fibers. Therefore, rayon is a man-made fiber. Here in this picture, you can see we get wood from trees. From wood, we get wood pulp. Then, from wood pulp, we get yarn. Properties of rayon. It has similar properties to that of silk. It is cheaper than silk. It can be woven like silk fiber. It is smooth, cool, and comfortable. It can also be dyed in a variety of colors. Then we will discuss about uses of rayon. Rayon is used in textile industry for making clothing like sarees, blouses, dresses, socks, etc. It is used to make furnishing such as bed sheets, cottons, blankets, etc. It is used to make carpets. It is used in medical field for making bandages and surgical dressing. It is used in tire industry for the manufacture of tire cord. Nylon. It is a man-made fiber. In 1931, it was made without using any natural raw materials. It was prepared from coal, water, and air. It was prepared from coal, water, and air. It was the first fully synthetic fiber. Then, properties of nylon. It is very strong. A nylon thread is stronger than a steel wire. It is elastic and wear resistant. It is lightweight and very lustrous. It is easy to wash and dries quickly. Uses of nylon. It is used to make many things like socks, tents, fishing nets, car seat belts, toothbrush, sleeping bags, cottons, etc. Nylon is so strong that it is used for making parachutes and ropes for rock climbing. Then comes polyester and its uses. Polyester is another synthetic fiber. It is made up of repeating units of a chemical called ester. Poly plus ester gives polyester. Esters are the chemicals which give foods their smell. Fabrics like polycot, polywool, terrycot, etc. are made by mixing two types of fibers. Polycot is a mixture of polyester and cotton. This is a picture of polycot. Polywool is a mixture of polyester and wool. This is a picture of polywool. Fabric made from this fiber does not get wrinkled easily. It remains crisp and is easy to wash. It is suitable for making dress materials. Terephthalate is a popular polyester. It can be drawn into very fine fibers that can be woven like any other yarn. PET. The full form of PET is Polyethylene Terephthalate. It is a very familiar form of polyester. PET has a variety of characteristics that makes it used for as packaging materials. Some of the factors that make it so versatile are its transparent color, lightweight nature, strength, food safe material, recyclability. It is used for making bottles, utensils, films, wires, and many more useful products. Children, in winter we wear sweaters and use shawls or blankets. Many of these are actually not made from natural wool, though they appear to resemble wool. These are prepared from another type of synthetic fiber called acrylic. Now we will discuss about acrylic and its uses. Acrylic fibers are synthetic fibers made from a polymer named polyacrylonitrile. This synthetic fiber is often used as a substitute for wool. The cloths made from this fiber are cheaper than the natural wool. They are used for making carpets, blankets, sweaters, cushions, toys, cloths for bags, and many more. Children, hope all of you have understood the topics we have discussed today. Read all the topics thoroughly. Now I have an activity for you. Collect different cloth materials and categorize them by pasting them on a plain paper as natural fiber or synthetic fiber. If they are synthetic fibers, then separate them as rayon, nylon, or polyesters as per given below. The remaining topics of this chapter we will discuss in another session. Till then, bye, take care, namaskar.